Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this festive season, I have made this silk suit with this straight palazzo, and with leftover fabric, I have made this beautiful baby dress. In this video, I'll share cutting and stitching of this baby dress. So this is the leftover fabric after making the suit. So these are the side parts of the fabric. So this has a beautiful border. So first of all, I'll cut all the borders. I'm making this dress for 1 to 2 years of the baby. So this is the border part what we got, and this is the remaining fabric. So first I am doing front part of top cutting on lining fabric. All the measurement details I am sharing on the screen. Now I'll cut the back part. The back part will attach the zip, so I'll cut the left side and right side separately. Right side I will cut it the same as the front side. This is why one part is extra. This will hide the zip stitching area. Now we'll cut the main fabric with help of this lining fabric. So I'm taking the front part from this area. On this remaining fabric, I'm adjusting the backside cutting to take out the backside parts. Now our top part cutting is over. Now we'll proceed for the stitching part. So for that, we'll take the front part cutting and we'll attach the armhole and neck part alone. Similarly, we'll attach the back part side of the armhole, neck and the side part. Now we'll make the small cuts and flip the fabrics. I'll do one round of stitching on top of this to give a good finish. Similarly, I'll make the small cuts on back side and we'll flip the fabrics. I'll do one stitch on sides to give a proper finish. Now we'll attach the zip. For that, we'll first open the zip and we'll attach on one side first. After that, we'll close it and we'll attach on the other side. Other side will hide the zip stitching area, so we'll mark it on 0.5 inch where we'll attach the zip. Now we open the zip and attach it on the marked area. I have stitched the zip on both the sides. So after closing, this is how it looks. Now we'll stitch on the bottom to secure the zip, and we'll attach the shoulders and the sides. Our top part stitching is over. So we'll cut the extra zip. Now we'll do the bottom part cutting. For this I have taken one silk blouse piece. Cutting the two-piece fabric with the length of 14 inch and width is 36 inch. Now we'll make the small plates. For that I'm marking on 2 inch. With the help of mark, I'll make these small plates. And we'll stitch it. So this is how the plates are ready. And then we will attach the border on the bottom. So we'll attach from the wrong side first. After attaching it, we will flip it so it will turn to the right side. And then we will fold and stitch it here. So border is attached. Similarly, I will make the back part also. So both front and back part is ready. So we'll measure it from the top waist area also, if it is right or not. If it is less or more, we can adjust it. Now I'm attaching both the sides. Now we'll do the bottom lining cutting. For that I have taken two-piece fabric of length 13 inch and width is 23 inch. To make the frill I have done a straight stitch and I'm pulling the thread which will make the frill. Similarly I am doing it for back side also. I'll attach both the sides. I fold it on the border. Now our lining part and main part bottom area is ready. Now we'll attach this with the top part and we will attach this in such a way so that no stitching will be visible on the waistline. So for that, first we will attach the lining part. So we'll keep the top part on wrong side and lining part also on the wrong side. And we will attach as I am showing on the video. So I have stitched it. So now I'll flip and show you. So after flipping it, if you see, so waistline stitching is not visible. Now I'll attach the main fabric. To attach the bottom main fabric, I'll keep the right side of the bottom with the right side of the top and we'll stitch it. So first we'll lock both the end and then we'll stitch all over places. I have stitched it. Now our dress is ready. I'll show you on the back side. This waistline stitching is not visible. This is how the dress looks like. From the suit top bottom part, I have this red fabric also left, which we can use to make the belt. With this palazzo leftover fabric, I have already made one baby frock and video is already uploaded on my channel. Comment me which frock it is. If you like this video and if video is helpful for you, then please do like, share, hype, comment and subscribe. Thank you for your support. We'll see you soon with new DIY dress cutting and stitching video. Till then, happy sewing!